How to add collage on Snapseed. Are guys facing issues to add collage on Snapseed app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. Snapseed doesn't have an inbuilt collage maker, but you can still create a basic collage using a clever workaround. First of all, open Snapseed on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now browse to the image that you want to add collage on. Once your image loads up, now tap on Tools and click on Expand. Extend the canvas if you want to make space for more image. Once you click it, now again tap on Tools and click on Double Exposure to add another image. Now click on the image icon and browse to the image that you want to add as collage. Click on droplet icon to increase or decrease the opacity. Once it feels right, now click on the check mark. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add collage on Snapseed app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.